Hey everybody, what's going on? Game time, and today I'm opening one of these kind of big retail boxes of 2018 Contenders football. These have 14 packs, so it's not a full hobby box. It's kind of somewhere between a blaster and a hobby, and it does have one autograph, 2 mem cards. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to get right into it because I'm anxious to see what I get in here. If you want to see what comes out of the blasters, I've got a video of that. 2 blasters posted. Not really crazy about that so much. I'm hoping for better results here. Nice looking inside with the stud rookies on the top. And let's get into my packs. As I showed in the other video, this is the base design. It's kind of plain Jane. Let me turn this around. I don't have much space here until I reclaim my video area after Christmas. Contenders, Gurley, Kamara, Marlon Mack, Antonio Brown. This feels like it might have one of the jersey cards in it. Melvin Gordon, Jameis Winston, Graham, and it has, I think it's Christian Kirk. It is. Rookie Tenders, jeez always. Rookie Ticket, Christian Kirk, little red swatch there, nothing too crazy. There's a Saquon, Rookie of the Year, that's a nice pull there. Odell, LaShawn McCoy. That was a decent first hit. Legendary Contenders. Who is this? Tony Gonzalez. I recognized his face and then forgot. Completely forgot who he was. You haven't been forgotten, Tony. Don't worry. There's Elway. Trubisky, round numbers, Fountain and Valdez Scantling, Davis, Rogers, Alshon Jeffrey, MVP Golf, Ertz and Luck. Another round numbers, Lamar Jackson and Hayden Hurst. Still looking for that one autograph. And there it is, I think. Oh man, a kicker, really? Daniel Carlson from Auburn. That's how you're going to do me, Contenders? I'm telling you right now, I'm probably not going to buy a bunch of the hobby boxes of this. If this is probably the kind of autographs you can expect out of it. You know, no disrespect to kickers, but come on. That's going to be my one autograph out of this box. A kicker from Auburn even. Woof. Pass. Hard pass on that. I think that's my other jersey cards. So I'll hold on to that for a minute. Sony Michelle, not bad. There is a Bortles MVP Contenders. Royce Freeman. Darius Geis. Team Quads, Rams, and the last pack, this should have a jersey card. And it does. There's Mahomes. It's Jaleel Scott. Another just plain little small swatch. Ooh, I dropped it, of course, because that's what I do. Round numbers: Cortland Sutton, Dante Pettis, Alonzo, Norman, Watson, and Cam Newton. I still have one more of these. I will be posting that video very soon. I'm gonna tell you though, I probably do one hobby box and I'll probably stop at that. The way they do their autographs and Contenders just leaves a really bad taste in my mouth, and I'm just looking at this kicker autograph just kind of ticks me off. So I'm not gonna pay up the big Contenders price for just a bunch of scrub autographs. I'm just not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. That's it, gang. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon.